Imagine a world where active adults live. They play pickleball, they play tennis, they swim, they walk, they do all kinds of fun things. Then at night, they enjoy the wonders of food cooked in a beautiful restaurant, fun times at the bar. They enjoy the brewery. If they're beer people, they enjoy the pizza oven. All of those things, imagine. Hey, guess what, guys? You don't have to imagine anymore. I'm gonna welcome you to that world and to my newest listing here in SaddleBrooke Ranch. Now, we've talked about this community before, and you know I love it here, and it is amazing. I'm gonna show you today this beautiful Avalon model, one of our favorites, and I know you're gonna be amazed, and you're gonna be a part of that world that you've always imagined. Come inside and let's take a look. So when you come in the entrance, you know that you're in some place special. This home is about 2,720 square feet, and they have done all of the right upgrades. You guys know that I tell you what to do and what not to do. These guys did it right. Now, just off the entry in the Avalon is a super nice office area. Could be considered a bedroom because it does have a closet, or you could make it into an office. Sometimes I know a lot of you want two offices, so we've got a real office, but this could also be an office. They show it with a Murphy bed, which I know a lot of you guys have talked about getting. And so that is, I think, a really nice and important feature. When you come into the main living area, you know that this is really a floor plan that flows. These guys have done the really nice bar area, and just like I tell everybody, don't do the upper cabinets, just put art there. You could also add some shelving if you like, totally up to you, but they've got really great storage space. One thing I want to tell you, as you're noticing this beautiful furnishings inside the home, it is shown as furnished. You can, for a separate fee outside of closing, or we can work that into the transaction, you can acquire all of the furnishings, including a golf cart. So if that's important to you, to be able to move into a beautiful home like this and have someone already have done the hard work for you in choosing all the things and picking all the things, this is amazing. These guys have very high quality furnishings, and you would of course be able to acquire that as part of the sale. Or if you have your own furniture to bring, that's great. They can make arrangements to not have that for you at closing. But I think that's a really nice option to have, especially, wink, wink, the golf cart. Everybody wants one, we know. So keep that in mind, but they will leave everything. So if you like this decor, they're not taking anything with them. But you can see here a really nice big living space. If you're someone who likes to entertain and have groups over, this is perfect. If you're one of my viewers who says, oh, we have a lot of family and they're all going to be coming to visit, this is your floor plan. Now, as we move into this kitchen area, I want you to see how pretty it is. You've got very nicely upgraded cabinets. You've got nice appliance package with a really pretty stainless look. They've got the nice farmhouse sink with one big sink bowl. Doesn't have that silly divider in the middle. And then seating here, they show it with 3 seats. I think you could fit 4 seats easily if you need to, or store one of those seats somewhere else. And then when you have a big group, pull it out and you can fit 4 at your island. You've also got space in this beautiful dining room. And what I want you to notice is how they've carefully chosen their light fixtures. They have got pendant lights that match the beautiful dining room fixture. All very thoughtfully done, and The word I would use is curated. They have curated everything in this property, and oh my gosh, they've done it so well. In the dining room, we've also got some extra storage, which is very nice. If you're a person like I am that has too many dishes and little entertaining things, you're gonna need this space. You need a space for your cloth napkins, cocktail napkins, dinner napkins. I don't know why I have those kind of things. It's not like I'm entertaining people for cocktails all the time. I think I just like buying the napkins. But you've got that space in this home. You have got also, and we'll go in here in just a second, you have got a Butler pantry space, which I think is amazing. So speaking of the Butler pantry, here it is. I love the word butler because it makes me feel like I'm, somebody if I have a butler, or at least I can have the pantry. This Butler pantry does have a really nice sink. You've got storage below, storage above, wine fridge. They show it here as a little coffee bar. And then this amazing pantry, which is a walk-in pantry, space for all of your food and snacks. Space for, if you're my sister, remember, all of the makers, your air fryer, your extra coffee maker that you only use when company comes, your waffle maker, your crock pot. Nice, beautiful shelving for all of that. And I love that feature. So very, very important. If you're an entertainer or if you're like me and you just like space, this is going to be your space. So now coming into the master suite, this is an amazing place. You can see today, it's a bright sunny day. And what I like about this space is it is filled with light. Now they've got blinds that will go all the way up, and you could add shutters, but I'm gonna tell you, I probably wouldn't because it's gonna block all of your beautiful sunshine. And that's what you want here in Arizona. Now take a look at this interesting treatment. This is just a wall, you guys, but these guys have really, no, I hope I didn't break it. They've thought of everything to just make things really special. If you don't like that, you can take it down and put your TV there or your dresser there. But everything in this home, as you're starting to see, is very Zen-like. When you walk in the door, you just feel a sense of peace. And that's how this master suite feels. It is very peaceful. Let's go over into the master bathroom, and I want to show you some really special little things in here. You have got a big, big space with a gorgeous shower. You guys, this is a zero entry shower, so no step, which I really love. And it is good size. I'm gonna show you how good size it is. I mean, you could have a party in here. Look how big this is. Amazing. You've got two different shower heads and beautiful tile work in here. So very convenient, and that day that you fall and you tear your ankle tendon, you're not gonna have to climb over anything to get into the shower. And I really like that. You have to see the closet. You guys know when I start whispering that it's really special. This closet is special. I want this closet. Come in and take a look around. It is amazing. They have added a closet system, which is very, very nice. You've got storage up above, then storage at the mid level. You can see she's got some of her hats there. Plenty of hanging space. They've got space for shoes. They've got drawers. You guys, this is amazing. And with all of these little spaces, you could still improve this for your own self. If, let's say, you're a handbag collector and you want more shelving for those handbags, done, we can do it. Now, let's see, what would you say, the piece de resistance? You guys didn't know I'm bilingual, but I am. I can order in a restaurant in many countries at a, 4-year-old level of French and German and Spanish. But look at this. This closet comes right out to the laundry room area. Now, this was a builder upgrade. You could probably do that aftermarket if you bought a plain old, base level new home. But they had the foresight to have this done. What a nice thing to have, because first of all, you can keep this closed day to day. But if you want to take your laundry right out here to the laundry room, super easy. I really love that tricky little feature. Welcome to my zen-like den space. I love this room. You can see they use it as an office, also a TV room. I don't know if you noticed, they didn't have a TV out in their living room. You certainly could have one, but what a nice space this is. Now, if you need a big office space, the space is here, but this is perfect for a TV room. I just want to kick back, relax, and watch myself on YouTube. No, probably not. I'm really a PBS kind of girl. But what a space this is. Very nicely done. Tile floors. The whole house is a tile, which is great. If you're a carpet person, just get rugs with a little pad to help your feet. But the nice thing about this tile is it is super neutral, and you're not going to have to move in and change a thing. Just take their furniture or bring a few things from your own home. But the decor and colors that they chose for their upgrades, all super neutral. And they've done a few accents. You can see they've done some accent walls here and there. If you don't like this color tone, we've got people that can paint new accent walls for you. Or if it's me, I'm just going to buy this turnkey and not have to decorate anything, because my stuff isn't this nice and I sure would like to have this look. So let's go check out the rest of this house. It's going to take me a little while to get out of this chair though. So in this home, this plan features a very nicely sized laundry room. I like that. If you want to fold your laundry, if you're somebody like me who dabbles in little projects, this is a good project space, but you've got cabinetry up and down. And did I mention all the appliances are included in this house? You don't need to buy anything. It all comes with the house. Now, at the drop zone here, you coming in from the garage, you've got a nice little place. You could have this be your charging station for all of your electronics. It could be where you store all your keys. Whatever you want, could be a computer station, but you've got really nice storage there. Then this back hallway, you've got a really nice storage closet, and then a cute little powder room that I think is nice to have day to day. Most people do want that when they buy a home of this size. And so then back over to where it all began. So now I want to take you outside and see what we've got to offer. You're going to be wowed again. So here's your outdoor living space, which I love. They've got a large covered patio, and you can't see it, but it is there. They have got the motorized shades that come down that are very, very nice to have in the cooler months, because you could put a little patio heater or gas fire pit table, and it is going to be nice and cozy out here on a February evening. Then you've got another seating area out here that is very nice. And then, oh my gosh, the views. That's why you would want this house on this lot. Now, I want to tell you, in some of this footage, you're going to see that they are missing a wall between their neighbor. They are in the process of completing that wall. They like their neighbors, so they never put one up. But if you want a wall, there will be one. If you don't want a wall, that's fine. We can make that happen too. But the beauty of this lot that they selected when they built is it's a long ways to the other houses behind you. You're not going to see or hear them on their patio hardly at all. And they're not going to see or hear you as well. But you guys, off to this way, gorgeous mountain views that SaddleBrooke Ranch is known for. So if this home has piqued your interest, please reach out to me. It's not going to last. If this one might not be for you, but maybe you just want to learn more about this fabulous community called SaddleBrooke Ranch, just north of Tucson. Please reach out to me at the number below on the screen. I'd love to have a scheduled call, or better yet, a Zoom, so that we can really get to know each other and I can help you make a plan to make SaddleBrooke Ranch your home in the near future. Just give me a call at the number on the screen or send me an email, and we will talk very soon. I'm excited to meet you.